I may be 30 years old, but I could always go for some itsy bitsy burp putty. You know this stuff. It's pretty good. Someone recently got this for me. It's just that, it's like that fart putty. It's kind of gooey. It's got a strange texture. It's almost like touching a tongue, which is not what everyone wants to do. Obviously, it's leaving some residue. That won't always happen when you play with it, but premise is to put it into the container and then push down, and it should fart. They make all sorts of different things like this. This is just a small one. This is looking pretty gross. What do you like making farts with? Whoopee cushion? Maybe you like this kind of stuff. I know there's like moon or Mars, like goo, whatever. But this is itsy bitsy burp putty. Leave a comment below what kind of stuff you like to make a fart with. Because I would do it on camera. Make some more farts. This is just a small container, which I actually kind of appreciate. And I got it for free. Thanks.